Hey guys, Matt here, showing off the new sled, Barn Find 2009 Skidoo 550F GTX. The battery is dead, but it has 92 original miles. And we're going to do a complete and utter restoration from head to toe. As you can see, we've had a few visitors here. Kind of nervous to see what comes out of there. A little bit of mildew on the seats. It was a little worse. I washed it off of this one a little bit. Hopefully we could restore that back to its former glory. We did lose the windshield. I mean, not that it matters. It was about up to here. It was quite large. But other than that, this thing's actually in pretty mint condition. You know, the track is 92 miles. It's practically brand new. This is still actually the original belt from 2009. And all I know we need to do is we need to get out to the carburetors because this thing won't start. Enough just to get it on the trailer. But from looking at it, it's hard to see. The carburetors are all the way down in there. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull off this entire air intake, get to the carbs, and hopefully clean them out and get some fresh fuel in this thing, because I'm sure that fuel is old. The last time this machine was registered was 2014. So that's probably, 11-year-old fuel. So let's see if that can help this thing get going.